Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCI's Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this Ruby confirmed airdrop. This is very easy to get, you only need to get one NFT from Galxe, and we are going to cover this project a little bit. This is a middleware technology between the Dapp and the user, and we are going to do, like always in my videos, step by step on how you can get this airdrop. And this project has raised $7.3 million to build the protocol, so very interesting. And there's confirmation for the airdrop, so you are going to see that in this video too. So we don't speculate in anything here. Following these instructions, you participate on the airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Ruby protocol is a middleware stack building an intent-centric, interoperable and privacy-preserving infrastructure for Web3 future. Their services including account abstraction, asset bridge, access control, and more that are designed to accelerate the Web3 development at its mass adoption. Ruby's modular approach to data sharing and privacy protection makes it ideal building block for privacy-compatible smart contract dApps, while also acting as a privacy layer for protocols and dApps. This project has raised $7.3 million, and Ruby is a native token of Ruby protocol, and 2% tokens are allocated towards community rewards, which means airdrops probably. And here is an important part of a tweet that says important notes. You and your friends must claim the Ruby 1 referral OAT to be eligible for the final Ruby reward. This is a must to identify loyal supporters and protect Ruby protocol against bots and civil attack. What this means is basically having this NFT from Galxe, you ensure your position for the Ruby reward. Always that you see the name here with this sign is because they are referring to the token. So this is enough confirmation for me that I will get the tokens if I apply to this. That is why we are going to cover it right now. Moving into the step by step, first of all, here you have the Linktree link for Ruby protocol. There you will see all the links. You have the official Twitter, the official Telegram, and everything that you need, like the Discord, the official websites, everything is here. So use always the correct links so you don't get any scam or anything like that. Step 1, follow their social medias using the official links. Step 2, you need to get your abstract wallet, so sign in on Ruby 1. So click here on this link and you will see this screen. Here you can log in with email or with your Google account. So click on Terms of Service and click on Login with Google. And from there you are going to see a couple of steps, which is our step 3. So once you log in with your Google account, you need to create a password. So write down that password and then you need to save 2 parts of the keys. One is storage locally, so you are going to receive a file into your computer or mobile, and the other is in your Google Drive. So it's going to be saved there in your Google Drive, and because you connected with your Google account, it's going to be super easy at that moment to do it. So just follow those steps and at the end you will find yourself here in a wallet. So this is your wallet and here you have your address. So copy this address because you are going to need this address for the Galxe NFT. So once you copy that, you already are finished with this step, which is a step 3. Now the step 4, copy your referral from Ruby 1 and share it to your friends to get more rewards. If you are in my private Discord, you can share it in the refer channel called Invitations and Referrals. If you don't know, I have a private Discord and I have an application for airdrops. So go here to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions and you can check both subscriptions to my private Discord and my application. Here is a video on how my app works, so you don't pay anything that you don't want. But my app is going to help you a lot to apply directly to airdrops that I cover, and also your custom airdrops from another sources. Have everything organized and apply easily to all of them. So step 4, you can share your referral on my private Discord in that channel, so all my community can take advantage of that. So here you go to ruby.1/referral after you already did the previous steps, and here you will see this, and here you can copy your referral link and share it with many other people in order to get more rewards for this. This first part, guys, is what they cover in their Twitter, which they call the Ruby 1 Refer Program. So basically you are applying to all this, but the important thing is to get the NFT on Galxe, so we are going to cover that. But this first part was necessary for you to get your wallet address. So now yes, step 5, let's complete the Galxe tags and get the OAT NFT. Here you have the link to the particular campaign on their protocol. Of course you need to connect with your wallet and your social media, so it's going to be very difficult to have multiple NFTs, so you will be participating white time. You can farm this if you have multiple social media accounts and multiple wallets in that case. First, you can see many things that you can do here are from Twitter, so follow, like, retweet. You need to quote here, like and retweet again. Then you can join Ruby protocol on Telegram. Then you need to visit the Ruby One refer page. So this is the one that we already checked it here. So the previous steps are going already to help you to do this. And then you have the survey input Ruby, the one wallet address. So click here to see the details, but basically it's what we did in order to get the address. Here you can see launch Ruby One, sign in, get your Ruby One wallet address. Once you click the button start, here you can put your address and you will be submitting already into the Ruby One address. So that was an important point in order to get all these tasks completed. And the other one here is quote the tweet and mention 3 friends. So after you do that, you are complete with all these tasks and you will be able to mint the OAT. And here you have one more, which is refer friends to participate in the campaign. So as soon as you start to get referrals in your Ruby referral program, you will see not only your rewards here, but your referrals here. So that will make it super easy for you to know where you stand on your rewards. But remember that it's mandatory for you to get the OAT here on Ruby protocol to earn the Ruby reward. And this can be found in the tweets that I mentioned. For example, in this post, and this is from the 24th of October. If you scroll down here to the point 6, you will see what I mentioned before, that you and your friends must claim the Ruby One referral OAT to be eligible for the final Ruby reward to protect the protocol from civil attacks. So basically that is the way that you guarantee is going to receive the reward for Ruby protocol. And this project is not a small project. Here are some documentation and information about how work and the technological aspect of the project is really interesting. Here you can see that Ruby is a middleware stack between the user client and the Dapp. But if you want to know more about it, you can go to the documentation on Ruby. And actually Cointelegraph posted this on March of 2022. So this is already almost 2 years ago when Ruby raised 7.3 million to give users greater control, privacy over their data. So the project has been growing a lot and now you can participate on this confirmed airdrop. Now, besides the Galxe, there are a couple of more things that I will do if I was you. It's not mandatory, at least for what they say on their tweets, but you can use the Ruby Connect. So go to Ruby Connect. It's going to pop out to connect your MetaMask. And after that, you are going to see here this page and you can see it and check the tutorial. Here you have a tab to go to the tutorial. But what you can do here with step 7 is register for new by clicking Ethereum Optimism and proceed. Click register for generating a private key. Click private key generator. I pay small gas fee on testnet. Thereafter, you will receive private key in a download file. So that will be the first thing to do here. This is testnet, so you can use this one or the one for Arbitrum. So I am connecting with Arbitrum Warlick. I don't have the Ruby private key, so I will click on register here. Click on private key generator. You need to pay a small gas fees on Agor, which is the native token of the testnet of Arbitrum Warlick. Confirm. And one file has been downloaded, so that will have my private key. After doing that, you can use that private key to log in. So now here you can put your private key. Once you are successfully logged in, like you can see here, you are getting your account information. And now what we need to do is this 3 stuff. We need to mint, we need to transfer, and we need to redeem. Into step 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we already did step 7, which is register. Now we click on mint the token. We deposit the token from MetaMask. put one there, click confirm mint, pay a little bit of gas fee, and you can see Ruby Arbitrum balance, we have 1 unit. Now click transfer the token, copy the address, enter the unit and paste the address and confirm the transfer. So I will put the unit here, the address here, and I will confirm the transfer. And then the step 10, which is redeem the token. Basically here you can see the max how many we have. We can click for redeem one, and again click on confirm, pay the gas fee here, and this was confirmed. Now I have only 1 unit instead of 2 that I have, so I already did the confirm and redeem. And with that we finished, guys. This is the use of the Connect Ruby. This is already working. Here you have the tutorial if you want to check more, so you can read all this. That will be all for this Ruby confirm airdrop. You need only to get 1 NFT in Galxe and you will be done. The last part, if you want, I would recommend you just to use the connect of Ruby, just in case that this is a bonus to the airdrop or maybe mandatory at some point. So use the connect of Ruby just to be safe and get this airdrop. And that will be all, guys. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.